Hello students, good morning to all. In this video, welcome to this video class. In this video class, we are going to learn about how to find the area of a rectangle and a square. Okay, at first, let's do this trick with a rectangle. Okay, and here at first I am going to draw a rectangle. Dear students, as you all know it from your previous classes that a rectangle has four sides and the opposite sides are of equal length, and by using this one common concept we have gained before, we can say easily that if the length of this side of AB, the length of AB is 3 inch, then it will be of 3 inch. Okay, it will be of 3 inch, and here the length of BC, which is 4 inch, so the opposite side of BC is AD, and AD will be the same length of this BC, and it will be true of the length 4 inch. And you know, dear students, we have to find area, and I have told you before that area is nothing a bigger critical concept. Okay, it's a simple concept. What we have to do, we have to just find how many boxes are there inside this. Okay, let's try. Here it is in inch, and this length also measured in inch, so we will try to find out the unit boxes of inch. Okay, like this type of boxes. Dear students, this is a square. Okay, the square is of length 1 inch, and you know that a square has equal 4 sides, so each side will be of length 1 inch. Okay, now here we will try to find how many these type of squares we can put inside this figure. Okay, that will be the area of this figure simply. Okay, let's try to put. Here we know 4 inches, so we can put here 1, over there 1, 2, 3 and 4. We have put 4 boxes, and we can put similarly here 1, 2, 3. 1 inch size, the boxes of 1 inch size we can put 3, because the length is of 3 inch and it is the length of 4 inch, so we can put here 4, and in this side it will be 3, and the total what will be it. Okay, so now the total boxes are here. Okay, I have drawn the total boxes. Now we can count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, there are total 12 boxes. So the area will be 12. What will be the area? The area will be 12. Then the question is, what is 12? We can make this box of 1 inch, and we can make the smaller boxes of 1 cm, and we can also make the boxes of 1 meter. Okay, so here the question is, what type of boxes are there of 12 numbers? Okay, and you know the boxes are of inch, so here we will write 12 inch square. Okay, this is 12 inch squares of 1 inch, and there are 12 number of squares. And I have told you previously that when we have to find out how many boxes inside a figure, then just we have to count one of this side along the length side, along the breadth side, and then the number of squares in the length side and the number of squares in the breadth side. Just multiply both of them and we will get the area. And here too, in the same sense, we can do here the length AB 3 inch, so here will be 3 boxes, and the breadth is 4 inch, so there will be 4 boxes and the total boxes is multiplied 3 by 4, and if we multiply 3 with 4 we will get 12. Okay, so your answer is 3 into 4, 12. And as the unit is measured, as the length is measured in inch, so we will write 12 inch square. Okay, I think all you understood this concept. Okay, thank you. Dear students, now we will try to solve a problem, okay, based on the area of a rectangle. Okay, now let's read the question. The question is, find the area of a rectangle. Okay, we have to find the area of a rectangle of length 6 centimeters and breadth 4 centimeters. Okay, here it is given that the rectangle which is asked, whose area is asked here, that rectangle is of length, what is the length? 6 cms. And what is the breadth? The breadth is of 4 cms. Let's find the area of this rectangle. Okay, let's start. At first we will write the length of this rectangle. Okay, let's write. You know the length of this rectangle which is given in the question. The length is of 6 centimeters. Okay, then write over here 6 centimeters. Now we will write the breadth of the rectangle. Okay, or simply we will just write the breadth. Okay, and you know the breadth is given and it is of 4 centimeters. Okay, let's write over here 4 centimeters. Now we will find what we will find. What is asked in question? In question it is asked the area, and we will find here the area. Okay, let's start. You know I have told the formula to find the area of a rectangle. Okay, what is the formula? Let's recall it. I have told you the length is, area is how many total small squares of equal, measured in equal unit. Okay, how many are inside this rectangle? That is the area of this rectangle. Okay, and how we will find out how many squares are there? This is just the multiplication of the length and the breadth. Okay, you know the number representing length is 6 and the number representing breadth is 4. So we will just multiply both of them. Okay, let's write the formula for area is length multiplied by breadth. Okay, here the length which is to be multiplied with breadth, and you know here the length is of 6 centimeters and the breadth is 4 centimeters, as these are given in the question. So it is a simple mathematics calculation. Okay, you can do it. 6 multiplied by 4 and it will be 24 and square centimeter. Total area of this rectangle will be 24 square centimeter. Okay, very good.